Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Omegle account. And before I show you the steps on how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe button. Let's move on. So let me open Omegle over here. And the thing about Omegle is most people think you need to create an account, so hence you can log in. But there's no such thing as account in Omegle. Omegle is basically a random video chatting app. So in order to get you linked with random people, you cannot create an account in it. Like the site just asks you if you're older than 18 or not. And if you are, then you can use it. If you're not, do not use this site, alright? If you're above 18, then you don't have to do anything. Just come into omegle.com, which is the official website of Omegle, and then just start chatting. If you want to chat with somebody, click on start a chat. If you want to have a video chat with somebody, click on video. And if you want to have a certain interest, click on add your interest and write your interest. I'm going to write my interest, click on done. It'll be highlighted like this. I can click on video or I can click on start a chat, and only people who has written football on their interest section can be linked with me. So this is basically your account. You don't have to create anything. So you don't have to log in into your, Omegle. The only thing is just go to omegle.com and start using it. So I hope you understand. Hit that subscribe button and bye-bye.